This is Erica Lopez
and Ty Dickinson from the University of Oklahoma Weather Lab through our weekly regional forecast starting on Friday, October 27th, 2017. In the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, below normal temperatures are favored in parts of the Pacific Northwest, extending to the upper Great Plains region due to a forecast unusually deep trough. Above normal temperatures are favored for parts of Southern California, extending to the northeastern part of the CONUS. These are due to positive height anomalies over the region.
As we move to days 8 to 14, notice how areas favored for below normal temperatures actually propagate or move to the west. Probabilities remain as high as the 60s for below normal temperatures in the high plains and northwest U.S. A ridge is also forecast to propagate towards the west, allowing for above normal temperatures to be favored further in the southern and eastern part of the CONUS. Odds for above normal temperatures are in the 60s throughout much of the southeast and even reach into the 70s in the Florida Panhandle.
In the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook, a large region extending from northern California to the northeastern CONUS favors above normal precipitation due to the earlier mentioned upper air trough. Below normal precipitation is favored in the Four Corners region, stretching to parts of western Texas due to subsidence east of a mean ridge axis.
Days 8 to 14 for precipitation is similar to days 6 to 10 in that much of the northern and eastern part of the CONUS have enhanced probabilities for above normal precipitation. Below normal probabilities are smaller in this time frame as there is an expected shift in the overall flow pattern, which helps its odds back more towards near normal. Overall precipitation anomalies are not forecast to be extreme in either direction.
Let's take a look at this week's drought monitor now. In the last week, northeastern Texas and eastern Oklahoma saw degradation from moderate drought conditions to abnormally dry conditions. Short-term drought conditions affecting mainly agriculture continue in Arkansas and have pushed slightly further east in the last week. Short-term drought is also beginning to expand in central Mississippi as dry conditions now cover all of the region. Lastly, small areas of dry conditions continue to pop up in western Texas.
Once again, this podcast has been brought to you by the University of Oklahoma Weather Lab, a top academic weather and research program in the United States and partner of the Southern Climate Impacts Planning Program. Watch for your forecast Fridays on the Oklahoma Weather Lab channel on YouTube.